The French Army is gearing up for the first operational deployment of the DT-46 drone, marking a significant milestone in modern military operations. This drone is designed to support artillery systems, specifically the Caesar, and is set to be deployed in Romania under Mission Eagle. Developed by Delair, the DT-46 reflects France's ongoing efforts to modernize its forces and integrate advanced technologies, drawing inspiration from the lessons of the conflict in Ukraine. The DT-46 is not just another drone. Its cutting-edge capabilities enable it to discreetly detect, recognize, and identify targets with remarkable precision. This makes it an invaluable asset for artillery units, ensuring precise strikes while minimizing collateral damage. The drone offers exceptional flexibility, operating in both vertical takeoff and landing VTOL mode and as a fixed-wing drone. It has a range of 100 kilometers and can fly for up to 6 hours in fixed-wing mode or 3.5 hours in VTOL mode. Equipped with a payload capacity of up to 5 kilograms, the DT-46 carries advanced sensors like optronic systems, LIDAR and thermal cameras, making it perfect for intelligence, surveillance and target acquisition missions. Its ability to provide real-time, high-quality intelligence reduces the need for human observer teams in dangerous areas, keeping personnel safe while boosting operational efficiency. The drone is integrated into the French Army's Atlas system, which centralizes command, logistics, and intelligence functions. This connectivity enhances the speed and precision of artillery operations, significantly shortening the targeting process and improving coordination across various military assets. The DT-46 is fully compliant with NATO's STANAG 4609 standards, ensuring smooth integration with existing systems like Scorpion and Draco, making it a vital tool in network-centric warfare. The DT-40SIXS development has been directly influenced by the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, which has highlighted the critical role drones play in modern warfare. With the ability to extend the reach of artillery units, the DT-46 allows for precision strikes on targets beyond the line of sight, an essential capability for CSAR-equipped regiments known for their mobility and effectiveness in dynamic environments. After a successful technical operational evaluation, the French Army has fast-tracked the acquisition of 50 DT-46 drones. These drones will be deployed across several artillery regiments and incorporated into training programs, ensuring that personnel are ready to maximize their potential. The upcoming Dacian Spring exercise in Eastern Europe will showcase the DT-40SIXS capabilities in a real-world strategic theater. But the DT-46 is just one part of France's broader drone strategy. The country is also participating in the Eurodrone program with Germany, Spain, and Italy to develop a European medium-altitude long-endurance drone. Additionally, French companies are advancing naval drone technologies, positioning the nation as a leader in both military and civilian drone capabilities. As the DT-46 prepares for its operational debut, it's clear that France is leading the way in integrating drones into military operations. This technology is not only reshaping artillery capabilities but also redefining how modern conflicts are fought, ensuring precision, safety, and efficiency on the battlefield.